Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's tech tip I'll be showing you how you can effectively use multiple monitors on a PC. So right now I have these two monitors configured over here in this orientation. I know it's not ideal, but it should prove a point. And the first thing that you should know is that if you press Windows and P on your keyboard, you'll see these options on your PC, whether you want to use the PC screen only, which in this case would be this screen. You can go for duplicate, so it would show the same thing on this screen as it would on that screen. You can extend it, so that is the mode it is in right now, that I can move my mouse from here to here and move it back as well. And the last option is second screen only, which would turn off this screen and have the screen on. You can also go into the display settings. So if I right click over here and go to display settings, I can click identify to see which monitor is which, and I can also drag these around to change the layout of how the mouse is perceived. So for example, if I put this over here and click apply, now when I move my mouse from this screen to that screen, it comes out on the correct side. However, if I were to put this somewhere here and click apply, moving the mouse from this screen to this screen, you can see it's appearing on the bottom over there. That is it for today's tech tip. If this was useful, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Bye.